Today I'm gonna open that RC car.
Let me see. Wow, it's a desert buggy.
Can be red, green, and white, and orange.
I don't think this one is white. It looks like gray for me.
No, it's white.
White and black, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's open it up. Inside of this box, there's batteries. There's batteries. This car.
Wow. I like it. And it has a racing.
It has gold wheels
Golden wheels. Wow. It looks so
and
cool.
some light stuff. It can drive it. Can you give me 3 batteries?
Okay, let me see where it will go.
It's here. Just been opening and it's not working.
Okay, let's see.
Oh! It's like fun.
Check forward, backward, to the right, to the left. Ah! Wait. Try again. Oh my god!
It's crushing here.
Ah!
I'm ready. He needs help.
Okay. Okay, let's try to drive.
See? Can I try? RC car can go to the beach and to the water with this bag and to the pool
Wow. For real? It can go through the water?
and to the mud water.
And to the mud?